My son-in-law, John Anthony, and my daughter, Alexi, dancing on top of a big boulder. Here on Castle Hill, South Island, New Zealand. Look like crazy. They're far away from me. Let's continue this 360 degrees video. Uh, Look at the size of those great boulders. Yeah. Day Joyan, please. Nan, our videographer, photographer, our sponsors in coming year.
Wow! Hala ka nami! Dali lang videohan ta kamuda ka nami. So dali ka lang. Wow! Hi! Wow! Muda ka!
So sa Otsinday Alexio, she's only 12 and a half years old. 12 and a half years old, but she's already 5 feet 4 inches tall. Grabe. Imagine, no? We are so far away, maybe 80 kilometers from Christchurch. 80 kilometers away from Christchurch just to go up this great mountain. So again, we would like to greet our family, friends, church brethren, and neighbors in Bacolod City, another part of the country of the Philippines. Glory be to God for bringing us here. Glory be to God. Kari ka mo diri mga abyan.